Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'm gonna explore the basic data types of Solidity language. Yesterday I already explored how to write a fast program in Solidity language and all about this remix online compiler. I mean how to compile, how to deploy our code. Okay, so let's move towards the basic data types of Solidity language. Okay, so for that, first of all I'll make a file named data types dot SOL solid for solid language SOL. As you already discussed that for this ID you just first of all you need to specify the license within comment for that. Okay, and you just need to start with pragma, then solidity, and then the version like 0.8.0. Then we just need to start with the contract keyword and then take any name. For that I'm taking like data type. Okay. And if I talk about the basics data type, then in Solidity we have basically we have basics 4 types of data types. Like we have string, we have boolean data types, we have integer, and in integer we have 2 types of integer. One is signed integer, another is unsigned integer. So first of all, let's move toward the string. Okay, for string we just need to specify the string keyword. Then we can take any we can take any name, like let's say name, and we can initialize the value in this line also. So let's Solidity. Okay, so this is string. Then we have boolean types. For boolean type we just need to use the keyword like bool. Okay, and as you already know that boolean is like it can be true or it can be false. Let's take any name like is valid, and this is true. For now this is, let's say this is true. And as we discussed that we have 2 types of integer. One is signed integer, one is unsigned integer. So signed integer means it can be any value, like positive value as well as negative value also. But for unsigned integer we can take only the positive value. Okay, so when we need to work with the positive value only, then we can take the unsigned integer. Okay, so for normal integer we can declare this as normal int, and then this is not, let's name as number, and we can take any value. And for unsigned integer we need to declare first u then int. Okay, u for unsigned and int, then we can take anything like let's say now, and this is like it can't be minus. If we just take minus, then it will, you can see that it will throw the error. Okay, so it can only take the positive value. Okay. So let's say 10, and for integer let's take this is minus. Okay, so this is the basics basics data types. Although we have other data types also like array, we have we have struct. Like if you're familiar with C programming language, then you can get the struct. Okay, yeah, I'll just discuss all this in the next video. Okay, we have also map data types also. Okay? It's not a data type, but it's kind of data structure. Okay, we'll discuss all this in the next video. Okay, so let's first of all see another way to initialize this as values. Okay, so we have a special method called constructor. Okay, and we can declare this with the constructor keyword itself. So constructor, and this is curly bracket. Then within this we can declare the declare the value. Okay, so for now I'm just deleting the value initializing. Okay, and we can declare here the name. Okay, taking space, name is like solidity. Okay, so this is another way to initialize the value. Okay, so there is another way to declare the value with the help of function. Okay, so for function we just need to specify the keyword function itself. Okay, then the name. For now let's get value, and then we just need to specify the public keyword because we are going to use this function from outside the contract. So for that reason I'm using the public keyword. Okay, but I already discussed about the public keyword in the yesterday's video. Okay, so you can refer that. Okay, so by the way, yeah, this public keyword is only used to declare when we're just going to use this function outside of the smart contract. Then we need to specify the public keyword. Okay, so that we can access this from outside the contract. Okay. So yeah, here also we can initialize our value. So let's say for now I'm just deleting all the values. Okay, then let's, is valid is true, that's number, it's minus 10, and then let's take now equals to 30. Okay, and then that's all. Let's deploy this. By the way, it's automatically compiled. Okay, you can see that compilation is automatically handled because we did this up. Okay, so but now just need to deploy. So this is deploy button, click on deploy, and you can see the success log. So this is our result. Okay, so yeah, so you can see it is giving the this kind of buttons, and I already discussed that in Solid language it's kind of special type of language that is going to provide a special type of buttons for every functions, for every getter or setter. Getter setter method. Okay, so this is a type of getter, getter method, right? Okay, for that. Okay, so if you click this, then you can see success log, but we can't see any value. Okay, we can't see any value. So yeah, I just want to mention a special thing in Solid language. Okay, so first of all there's a public keyword. Okay, if you just declare the public keyword, okay, before the name, then in Solid language it automatically create a getter function. Okay, it automatically create a getter function. You don't need to bother about that. Okay, just okay, I'm just doing for every variable. Okay, you can see a magic. Okay, so yeah, now and one more thing that if we just want to change, if we just changing any value, okay, then we need to just deploy. We need to deploy again. So I'm just deploying this again. Okay, and you can see this is the result. And now you can see all the buttons for for all the variables like string, but like for the string variable, boolean type, int, and unsigned int. Okay, so now there is one another interesting thing is that if I just click on any one of this button right now, you can see the value is false. You can see the value is solid. Okay, this is solidity because we already initializing this using constructor, so it is initialized. But if you click on now, you can see the 0 value because so the fact is that if we initialize, if we just declare any value, then in Solid language by default take the value 0 for integer. Okay, for boolean type by default it takes the false value. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, and yeah, if you just click on get value, then if you call that method, then to initialize value. Now if you click the is valid, then you will get the true value. For number you will get your name, it is already we are just getting the Solidity, but for number we're going to get the 30, and for number we're going to get the minus 10. Okay, so these are the basic data types in Solid language. Yeah, although we have other data types like stock also. Okay, array also. Okay, but yeah, we'll discuss this in the next video. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys soon. Bye bye.